Hi friends, and welcome to the DLee's World Storytime. My name is DLee Santa Maria, but today you can call me DLee. We're going to be reading some fun stories, so please stay tuned to CMSI. And the next story that I'm going to read is called Llama Llama, Mess, Mess, Mess. And this is written by Anna Dewdney. Oh, with illustrations by J.T. Morrow. Llama Llama in his room, cars and trucks go honk and zoom. Racing under sheets and chairs, Mama Llama calls upstairs. Time to pick up your toys! Why is Mama making noise? Mama says it's cleaning day. Llama only wants to play. Mama says to make the bed. Llama Llama shakes his head. We all have a job to do, even little llamas too. What if Mama never cleaned? Imagine that. What would that mean? If Mama didn't dust or mop, she'd toss the rags and off she'd hop. She'd take the clothes all clean to wear and throw them up into the air. No doing laundry anymore. Just drop the towels upon the floor. She'll pull the sheets right off the beds and wear the blankets on her head. She'd leave the pots and pans and plates and dance around on roller skates. Then zoom into the living room to make a fort with mops and brooms. She'd have herself some crunchy snacks and throw the bags behind her back. Crumbs and cloves and peanut shells. What's this thing? What's this smell? Messy counters, dirty drawers. Where is Mama? Where's the floor? Everything's in disarray. Llama Llama has no place to play. Clutter, chaos, and distress. No more llama. Mess, mess, mess. Grown-up llamas clean, that's true, but little ones can pick up too. Llama Llama nods his head. Maybe we should clean instead. Llama Llama picks up blocks, puts them all into his box. Books go back on the shelf. Llama puts them there himself. All their things beneath the bed. Check and see, lift up the spread. Look what Llama Llama's got. Each thing has its special spot. Llama pulls the sheets up tight. Mama tucks the quilt just right. Lots of space to play with Mama. Guess who's proud of Llama Llama? The end. Did you like that one? I think sometimes it's important that we clean up our mess, right? Yeah, because mamas can't do everything. It takes us too, right? I think so. I had such a wonderful time reading stories with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Are you ready for our goodbye song? Okay. Remember, put your hands up like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. One more time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. You guys did a great job listening today. I hope you remember all the stories and lessons that we learned. Till next time, okay? Bye, guys.